myself.
You never know when you need a crazy son of a bitch.
But you said there were no crocodiles.
Those are alligators.
Wait, they hungry?
Not anymore. What do you got? Nothing yet. There's no way anybody could have went through this. Keep in for him. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, does that include all the premium channels and the sports package? Yeah, show's over. Let's get the hell out of here. Go on.
That's a creepy ass snake.
Slimy. I'm scared.
It's terrifying, all these animals and bugs. I hate this, man. I'm not built for this stuff.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me?
We'll let the cops leave and then we'll cross the river.
Get a move. We gotta move.
What the hell are you doing out here, cop?
You guys got it all wrong.
Save your life, boy.
If I was a cop, I'd have a badge, a gun. I don't. I'm just out here trying. Just try to what?
I got choppers busting around here. I had you sneaking up our asses. You're not a cop.
Right. You're right. I'm a cop. I'm tracking my GPS right now.
GPS. I told you to search it. My damn. Find it.
Where's the goddamn bug, cop?